Welcome back to NurseNet Numeracy, the free-to-use online maths tutorial course designed for nurses. In the previous lesson, within the infusion element of this course, we looked at how many drops per minute to administer in an IV drip based on the total solution of a drug using the following formula. Number of drops per milliliter multiplied by the volume of the solution divided by the time in minutes. This would give our drip rate. In this lesson, we're looking at calculating the drip rate if the solution we are administering is blood. With blood, the standard number of drops per milliliter is 15, so we'll use that in the context of this lesson. So we have the formula number of drops per milliliter multiplied by the volume of blood divided by the time in minutes. So let's do an example. A patient requires 2.5 litres of blood to be given over a 6-hour period. At what rate should the drip rate be set? Well, there are a few elements we need to convert before we proceed. Firstly, we need to convert litres into millilitres. So in this instance, 2.5 litres converted into millilitres requires us to multiply the 2.5 by a factor of 1000. Therefore, 2.5 litres multiplied by 1000 gives us 2500 millilitres. We also need to convert the time into minutes. So 6 multiplied by 60 gives us 360 minutes. Now we've done our conversions, let's crunch the numbers in our formula. Number of drops per milliliter, which we touched on at the beginning of the lesson, is 15 in the context of administering blood. This is multiplied by the volume of blood, which in this case is 2500 milliliters, gives us our total volume, which we need to divide by time. Now, if we were calculating the total volume without the use of a calculator, we could use a simple grid method that we've employed in previous lessons. So let's place the numbers according to their place value. On the top, let's put 2000 and a 500 to represent our 2500 milliliters. On the side, let's put a 10 and a 5 to represent our 15 drops per milliliter. So on the top row, we now have 10 multiplied by 2000, which gives us 20,000. Then 10 multiplied by 500, which gives us 5,000. And on the bottom row, we have 5 multiplied by 2000, which gives us 10,000. And 5 multiplied by 500, which gives us 2,500. So let's add them all together. Well, we have 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,500 gives us a total of 37,500. So now we need to divide 37,500 by the time in minutes, which is 360. So this gives us a drip rate of 104.16 drips per minute. Now rounded down to the nearest drip, it really gives us a drip rate of 104 drips per minute. Let's do one more, but this time in the context of how long we should administer the blood if we know the volume and the drip rate. How long will it take to administer 950 milliliters of blood at 30 drops per minute? This time we need to use our time calculation formula where we have number of drops per milliliter multiplied by the volume of blood divided by the drops per minute. So we have 15 drops per milliliter by the volume of 900 milliliters. So using the grid method we can split the numbers up. So we have a 900 and a 50 along the top and a 10 and a 5 along the side. So 900 multiplied by 10 gives us 9,000. 900 multiplied by 5 gives us 4,500. 50 multiplied by 10 gives us 500. And 50 multiplied by 5 gives us 250. If we add these all together, we get 14,250. So 14,250 divided by 30 drops per minute gives us a total of 475 minutes. Now 475 minutes divided by 60 gives us the answer of 7 hours and 55 minutes. Now try the administering blood section on the intravenous flow rate course on www.nursenet.uk. Or if you're simply looking for your next career in nursing, please do check out our jobs board.